Okay, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Mopar hood struts, part 822-12094 for my 2010 Challenger. So let's see what it comes with. Only got one tab there. It should be, oh, there it is. There we go. So there's two tabs that go on the bottom. I believe they're made of aluminum. And they screw in. There's the other one, same thing. And you got the strut itself. And you're supposed to just snap in. Same thing on this side. And instructions. It's kind of hard doing this in one hand. Dodge Challenger hood prop kit. And you're supposed to have two of them, and obviously two of the strut itself. And you need a 13mm wrench. It tells you how to install it, but I'm just going to show you how to do it anyway. So I'll be right back. Okay, this is my 2010 Challenger. I'm going to show you where we're going to install these. Got a little spot right there, that's where one of the mounts go. On this side, right there. Just got to move these cables around to make space. There's the two brackets. The two mounts. A torque wrench. So first we're going to take one of these and we're just going to make it finger tight for right now. I want to make sure these go in straight. It's kind of hard to hold the camera and twist it at the same time. And the problem is these aren't threaded, but this is, so it's kind of hard to figure out when it's straight and when it's not. Alright, I think I got it started there, so I'm just going to leave it for right now. And on the hood, it's going to connect right there. Out quick. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Just hand start it for right now. Okay, that's good. Take the torque wrench. don't have to make it super tight right now. But don't make it too tight, because then you might strip it. So get it just where it's nice and snug. It's almost there. You can still kind of move this so it's not that tight, and you can't really see it, but there's a little gap under there still, so I got a little bit more to go. Okay, this one's all tightened down, and it looks like it's good to go. Doesn't move, can't move the bottom piece, and according to my wrench, it's I guess 70 inch-pounds. Can't really tell on this thing. It's kind of my first time using one, so if you know, let me know. If it's too tight, I'll loosen them up. And we'll go ahead and do this one. And we'll just do the same thing. Oh, this one's kind of still loose, so I'm going to do it by hand first. So you can wiggle it so it's not in there yet. Okay. You don't have to use a torque wrench. I'm just using it because I can't find my regular wrench. And now it's starting to get a little tight. Okay, that should do it. Can't move it, can't twist it. It's good to me. Now, connect the strut, and these actually tell you which way they go. See how it says body? Let's see if I can get it. Body goes down, so this part connects on the bottom, this part connects on the top. So we'll connect it to the top first. I can't do this with one hand, so I gotta put this down. Okay, so I found out why I can't do it with one hand. There's a little clip on the back. See where those two black slots are? You need to pry that piece of metal out, stick it on, and then clamp that metal piece back on. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, I didn't pull it all the way off. I kind of just moved it to the top, so maybe I could just slide it right back down. So we'll try and put it back on again. I know it's getting kind of dark, so I apologize if you really can't see this. Yep, there you go, slid right on. So now I'm going to take this metal piece, push it down to lock it in place. There you go, you just heard a clip. It's not going anywhere. So that's locked in place. Now we'll do the bottom one. You can kind of twist these to kind of get them in the right spot. And I think we need to lift the hood again because it's not going up all the way. And we need to take that metal piece off again, or I need to take it off. So let me try and do that, and I'll come back. Okay, I got the piece up. Just using a key for right now.